Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Lincoln Navigator, and I will show you which relays and fuses to check in case your blower motor is not working. This video will apply only to Lincoln Navigators made from 2011 all the way up to 2013. Now all the fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here in front of the engine. To lift the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the other side. So you want to press it and lift up. And on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so first thing you want to check, it's a fuse number 32, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to blower motor relay. And the blower motor relay is located just here, and it's a relay number 3. So this fuse supplies power to this relay. Now, if the fuse is good, you might want to test the relay as well. You can do that just by replacing this one with any other of the same kind. And if that makes a difference, just buy a new relay. It's a couple of dollars and have it replaced. Then the next fuse worth checking, it's fuse number 34, which is a 30 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to auxiliary blower motor. And now the last thing worth checking, it's a small 10 amp red fuse located here. This is fuse number 57, responsible for power to blower motor relay coil. And that's pretty much it. Now hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. If not, you will have to dig a bit deeper and look towards the blower motor itself, blower motor resistor, and possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.